Hello and welcome back to Shinerweb YouTube channel. If you want to capture your image by using webcam, or if you want to capture your image by using your mobile camera, so in this video we will learn how to capture your image by using webcam. So here we created one demo. So you can see whenever I click on this Take Snapshot, at that time here you can see it will be captured our snap. So here we take one image. Now if you want to save this image in your server, then simply you need to save this picture and that will be display one message like image upload successfully, right? So this image also uploaded on our server. So let's see that image on our server. So here we already created one folder, so there will be stored this image. So we will also download this. So here you can see this is how this image also uploaded on our server. Now if you want to learn how to set this code or how to set up this capture image in your project, so we already created one demo for you, or we created one blog for you. So we will see the step by step, and here you can see we wrote one blog. So here we need to create one step like you need to create one file, right? capture-photo-with-webcam.html. So we already created that file. So here you can see capture photo with webcam. So simply I open that file, and here you can see you need to require some library to capture some image and your photo. So here you need to see you need to include these two JavaScript library like jquery.min.js and Webcam.js, right? And here you can see we included a bootstrap theme also here for a designing purpose. So also you need to include this two library. One is bootstrap.min.css and bootstrap.min.js. So simply you need to copy paste this library link into your file. So I simply copy paste this code. I already included that library in my file. So here you can see, right? Once you copy paste this code, now here we can see I also explained that code, and here you can also see we captured that image by using phone camera also. And if you want to capture your photo by using mobile phone, then you can also do this, right? So that's why I added that screenshot here. Now okay, now in step 2 you need to create two sections, right? Here you can see we designed two sections, one for our live streaming video will display, and here we will show our captured image. So for that we used Bootstrap framework. That's why we used that container, and inside that container we will add one row, and inside that row we will add two columns, like right, call lg6 and another is call lg6. And here the most important part is what? Here you need to add id is equal to my_camera. So whenever your code will be run, at that time our live streaming video will be shown inside this division. So that's why we added one id, and also we use one hidden variable here that I also explained in a further code. And here you can see we added one button like Take Snapshot. Here you can see that the button name Take Snapshot. So simply copy paste this code, and here also you can see you also need to provide one id is equal to results, where we will captured image will be display. So whenever you clicking on that Take Snapshot, at that time that captured image will be so in this division. That's why we provide that id is equal to result. So simply you need to copy paste this container division. So simply you need to copy paste this code. I already copy paste that container code here. So once you copy paste that code, right? Then that type of designing will be displayed, right? Okay, now step 3 is what? You need to configure your some JavaScript code. So simply you need to copy paste this code, right? Simply copy paste this code. I also explained that code, right? So here you can see whenever your page will be refreshed, at that time we call this webcam.set method, right? So by using that set method, you need to provide width, height, and your image format and your image quality. So simply pass that attribute, and you need to provide your ID, which we have already declared here, right? So by using this code, your live streaming of your webcam will be displayed here. So here you can see whenever we will refresh our page, at that time this video will be streaming here, right? So this is our so here you can see we provide ID is equal to my camera. So same ID also you need to pass here, right? Then and then your live video streaming will be displayed in this area, right? So here you can also see our live streaming will be running. That's why here a red dot will be available, and here also you can see that webcam will be running. So this is how we started our live webcam streaming. But how your snapshot will be clicked? Now here you can see whenever any user will click on this button, at that time this function will call, and inside this function here you can see we used one method like webcam.snap method, and by using this method we generate base 64 value, and that base 64 value we assign in this result division. So here we already declared that division with ID is equal to result, so that ID will pass here, right? And inside this division we pass our new generated image with base 64 value. Here you can see we pass that base 64 value inside this src attribute. So once your image will capture, at that image will be assigned in this division. So here you can see when I click on this take snapshot, here you can see I inspect that division. So here you can see ID is equal to result. Inside that result we created one image with base 64 value. So your base 64 value generated like this. Now your image is captured, right? Now we need to upload this image on our server. So for that we also created one function like save snap, right? So here you can also see we take one button like save picture, and inside this button we take one function like on click is equal to save snap. So we already created that function. Here you can see. Now here you can also don't forget that base 64 value we store inside this hidden variable. So we take that hidden variable captured image data. So we simply store that base 64 value inside this hidden variable. Because of what? we will also need to upload that image on server. That's why we store that base64 value inside this hidden variable. Now here you can see we declare one button like save picture. So whenever any user will click on this button, at that time we call one function like onClick is equal to save snap. That function also we can declare here. So here you can see we declare one function or created one function save snap. So first we take our base64 value, and that base64 value stored inside this variable, and that variable value will pass on this PHP file. So by using this Ajax block, we will pass that base64 value on this file capture_image_upload.php. So here you can see we need to create this file also, PHP file, to upload your image on server. Now here you can see we write it down some PHP code to upload our image on server. So simply you need to pass your folder name. Here you can see we pass that capture_images folder name. So that folder also you need to create it here. I already created that folder here, and also you need to check that write permission is available or not. If write permission is not there, then please provide that write permission, and also that code will be used to upload your image on your server, or that code will be used for convert your base64 value to PNG file. So here you can see base64_decode will be used to convert your, this is a predefined PHP function to convert your base64 value to your PNG file. And here you can see whenever you click on that, I also explained that how your image value will be passed inside that Ajax block. So whenever you click on the save picture, at that time this capture_image upload PHP will call, and here you can see our base64 value pass inside this image attribute, right? So that image attribute will use here, right? So, and once your image will be uploaded, that return message will be passed inside this JSON encode variable or JSON encode method. So here you can see that message will be alert inside this success block. So this is how also we can check that image uploaded or not. So here you can see 2140. Also we'll open that image. Okay, that image also we can verify that image is okay, that image, right? So this is how your captured image will be uploaded on your server or on your project folder. I hope you will subscribe our channel, and I hope you like this video. And if you have any difficulty while setting this code or configure this code in your project, or you must have to remember, you must have to use HTTPS domain while use this API or while use this webcam, or if you don't have a HTTPS domain, so you use this Mozilla Firefox browser. So in that browser you don't need to require HTTPS domain, so you can use that code in this Mozilla Firefox for running that project. Also, we uploaded so many solutions inside this blog on our Shinerweb.com website. So you must have to check that blog and another video on our YouTube channel. So I hope you will subscribe our channel and please follow our blog. Take care and bye bye.